A sneaker that's part of NBA history and also a sneaker that's pretty important to sneaker history in general, and it's been a long time since we've seen this sneaker retro. The Air Jordan 2 Chicago. Now, you've seen a ton of these on YouTube already, but I will tell you this, that not a lot of people probably are saying on YouTube. The reason why a lot of people don't really like these is because there's not a lot of hype behind it. You can't like the Lost and Found Jordan 1s and not like these. What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Luigi back at it again with another sneaker review, and today we have a very special sneaker review because it's on a sneaker that was highly anticipated, not just by myself, but I feel like a good majority amount of people. I know there's a lot of people out there who don't really care for the Jordan 2s, they're not really on their radar, they hate the Jordan 2s, but for me personally myself, big fan of the Jordan 2s. I was lucky enough and blessed to hit for them on the sneakers app. I guess the last sneaker raffle of the year, the sneaker gods had to bless me, and they probably figured I was due for one because let's be honest, I never win anything. If you guys like all the content and you enjoy seeing my face, you like everything that we do here on the channel, hit that subscribe button. We're so close to hitting 5K on the channel, and this year I'm really trying to grow the channel a lot, man. That is really my goal for 2023. I'm hoping by the end of the year we at least hit 10,000 subscribers. If you guys want, you can catch me on my Instagram _Luigi. I do always post behind the scenes content, sneaker content. I post a lot of reels on there. Pretty much I am very active on social media, so if you want to see some content outside of YouTube, highly recommend you guys follow me on my Instagram. Alright, the box that we have is a unique, different box. We have a classic Air Jordan Wings logo right here. The box is honestly really dope. It's like a black creamish color. You have the clouds right here. It does say Air Jordan. Just very, very nice, man. Also, before I show you the sneaker, this did come with like a little pamphlet right here. Cool thing that I do like about it, actually shows you how the sneaker is like made up. It's a really cool addition. I really like that. And the sneaker that we have today is the Air Jordan 2 in the Chicago colorway. Such a classic sneaker, classic colorway. Jordan 1, his first ring in the Air Jordan 2. Now the inspiration behind the Air Jordan 2, if you guys are unfamiliar, is pretty much Jordan didn't really like playing in the Jordan 1, and the GOAT himself hated playing in them because they just hurt his feet and there was no cushioning in them. So Nike went to try to make a luxury version of the Jordan 1 and use like good Italian leather. These were originally made in Italy. I doubt these are made in Italy now, but when they first came out, they were made with Italian leather from Italy. And with that being said, you get the Air Jordan 2, and it's pretty much a luxury version of the Jordan 1. If Jordan Brand came out with a hype collab for the Jordan 2, people would definitely eat it all up, and it's just really sad how these are kind of sitting, and people are definitely going to regret that years to come. First thing we're going to talk about, the colorway of the sneaker. Now this is the classic Chicago colorway. Pretty sure a lot of you guys know, but for the people who don't know and for the purpose of the sneaker review, Chicago colorways, obviously Jordan played for the Chicago Bulls, so it's the colors of the uniform, the Chicago Bulls, black, white, red. It's pretty much to resemble that. This is the first colorway that came out for the Air Jordan 2, the OG colorway. Very important, very iconic. You have white, you have black, you have red, and that's pretty much just it. Next thing we're going to dive into is the materials of the sneaker. As far as the quality goes, this is an all leather sneaker. It is not the nicest leather. I have experienced better leather on a Jordan, but it's not terrible. I would, from 1 to a 5, I'd probably give it maybe like a 3.5. It's not the greatest. It definitely could have been a lot better, and you would think that they would go for like a more plush leather, but it's not too bad. The only leather that is kind of plush is the one right here on this little crocodile like skin texture right here, but other than that, the leather is pretty decent. It's not the greatest, but it could definitely be better. As far as the lateral and the medial side of the sneaker goes, there is no Nike branding on it. All you really have is just this crocodile like texture material right here. It's such a simple leather all white sneaker. It kind of just goes together. It just really blends in, just really nice. It is definitely kind of bland, but if you're someone who doesn't really mind that and you kind of want a cool sneaker, then I guess this is for you. As far as the shoelaces go, these did come with only one set of shoelaces, these black laces right here. Normally I am not a fan of black shoelaces. Anyone who's seen my videos and has been a fan of the channel for a very long time can tell you I always lace swap my sneaker. Recently I thought about lace swapping these, putting in a pair of white laces, and I've seen pictures and videos of people doing it. Don't get me wrong, it looks really clean. I'm just gonna keep it in the OG colors. I'm not the hugest fan of the black laces, but I will say, honestly, it works really well with these. Standard black flat laces. And let me know, do you guys think I should lace swap these or just leave the black ones in? This is not a normal, ordinary tongue. You do have this fat, like plushy tongue right here. And the cool thing about this is you have that classic Air Jordan Wings logo right here. It's done in like this red hit right here. It does look honestly really soft. And as far as the leather on the tongue goes, actually just really freaking plush, man, honestly. And when I put these on just to see it, like how these would fit like on feet, these look really nice. The tongue is actually really supportive. It does feel really nice like when it's on your foot. I prefer the classic Wings logo over the new logo pretty much any day. I don't really care. Maybe you can say I'm a sucker for like classic vintage stuff, but I would definitely prefer this over the Jumpman logo just any day. The only Nike branding that is on this sneaker is on the back tab right here where it does say Nike and this black hit. Kind of loud on the back but subtle kind of at the same time. I do like it. It looks really good, especially on feet as well. When you have these on feet and someone sees it like from the back, super nice, man. Just super clean. When I saw these on the stock photos before they released like months ago and I saw the back tab, I was like, yo, these are super fire. As far as the midsole goes, you have this black hit right here mixing in with this little white hit right here. Honestly, just looks really clean, looks really chunky. It's kind of a chunky sneaker, but it's not. Like I said, the purpose of the sneaker was meant to be a luxury Jordan and meant to be something that Jordan would have more comfortability playing in. And I can tell you, because he's said it himself, he does prefer to play in the Jordan 2 than he does in the Jordan 1. I would say, and I'm definitely gonna get crucified for this even though it's the freaking truth, Jordan 2s are more comfortable than Jordan 1s. There's more cushioning in this than the Jordan 1. You guys actually got a clean outsole today. Most of the time when I do a sneaker review, I already wear the sneaker, and by the time I show you guys the outsole, it's dirty as hell. But you guys got super lucky because these are super clean, and I have yet to shoot the on feet for these. So these are super clean. You guys are seeing them right now, high quality, not even worn yet, fresh out the box. This looks really nice, man. You have that black hit right here. It does say Nike. This traction pattern right here, red and white, just looks honestly just super clean. These fit true to size. Personally for me, most of the Jordans fit true to size for me. Jordan 1s fit me true to size. Jordan 1 mids fit me true to size. Jordan 4s fit me true to size. And as far as the Jordan 2s go, these fit me true to size. I wouldn't recommend going up half a size because your feet are basically going to be swimming. And if you go down half a size, these are probably going to fit too tight. These fit me with just a little bit of tiny room in the toe box. And just going back into the Air Jordan 2 Chicago one last time. An important sneaker to NBA history, to sneaker history, and just a grail to my collection. I was so determined to get these, and in fact that if I did not get these for retail, 100% I would have went in the aftermarket and would have purchased these off of StockX. That's how bad I wanted them. When I got the Union 2s, I loved wearing them. I still wear them. I wore them on New Year's Eve because I was like, you know what, it's my sneaker of the year. What's a better time to wear my sneaker of the year than the last day of the year? I love the Union 2s and I love the Chicago 2s. I'm really excited to wear these. I'm gonna throw on a lot of good outfits with these. And just like I said, man, you can't like other Chicago colorways and not like these. Even if you are a fan and if you like wearing like luxury sneakers, these are definitely right up your alley. I'm gonna keep these in my collection for a very long time, and this is a sneaker that I'm gonna pass down to my kids, and my kids are gonna pass these down to their kids and explain to them the history behind this. Just a real good, pure gem to my collection. If I were to rate these from a 1 to a 5, I'd give it a 4.5 just because of the leather quality, but honestly, I could probably give it a 5 too. Just Jordan Brand knocked it out of the park. They freaking delivered with this, and they gave us something that really true people who like Jordan 2s got. You know, they gave us something that we really wanted, and they did not cut any corners. So if you like the Chicago 2s and you want to check these out, hopefully this review changes your mind. That's pretty much it for my quick little review on the Air Jordan 2 Chicago. I'm gonna throw these on feet to show you guys how I style them, and that will be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed the content, if you guys really like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, also click that little bell, stay notified because we do drop videos every single week. Also catch me on my Instagram at _LouisG. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Peace.